for Zayani. So, Zayani Canyon, I could take that, I go all the way to Scotts Valley. On your left. Thank you. All right, what we're going to do here is we're going to take the road to Boulder Creek. So that's a left turn at this point, if I don't get run over. Okay. So now on California Highway 35, we're going to head for Boulder Creek. It's a pretty long ride. It'll be mostly downhill. So I still have plenty of battery. So I haven't been on this road in a long time, so I really am going to be interested in what it looks like on this day. This is a good day. Good day for doing this. Well, see, way over the yellow. Still climbing. I haven't ridden this road, I guess, in 20 years. Okay, so skyline is Highway 35. If I were going on to San Francisco, I'd take a right here. Or if I was going up to Castle Rock Park, several places, or all the way up to catch Highway 9. And I will do that someday, but not today. Today, I'm going to be very happy if I can make it to Boulder Creek and then to Felton and then back home on this much battery charge. But that's part of the test today, because this is a big strain in terms of trying to make distance up these hills. Big elevation change. guess we've crossed over into Bear Creek Canyon.